Have you ever had such an experience? You bought a laser marking machine happily, but when faced with the operating interface, you don't know how to operate? Don't worry, this video is here to clear up your doubts today. Let's start with the basics and discuss how to mark the desired texts, pictures, and vectors by the laser marking machine. When drawing a text, simply launch the software interface to reveal a crisp work area, intuitive drawing icons, and a comprehensive menu bar. There are two methods to input your desired text content. Firstly, you can directly click on the FI text drawing function within the drawing icon. Alternatively, navigate through the menu bar to find the appropriate drawing function menu and select Text Drawing. On the lower left side of the interface, you'll find a text window where you can enter your text, such as mark a perfect laser logo. If the text appears hollow by default, don't fret. Just click on the text, locate the fill function marked with an H symbol in the software's drawing menu, and click it. This will fill the text with a solid color. However, please note that changes to the text will not be immediately visible. You need to click the Apply button for the updates to take effect. Next, hit F1 for a red light preview to visualize the exact marking position. Finally, press F2 to commence the marking process. To import images or vector graphics, simply locate the Draw Vector File option on the software interface and click to open it. Or select Import from the File menu. Then, navigate to the vector image file you have created. Common vector image formats include PLT, AI, and DXF. For this example, let's assume we're using the PLT format. After importing, click Put to Origin to center the image and then adjust its size. It is recommended to scale it proportionally to 20%. Before proceeding with filling, ensure that the vector image is properly closed to achieve the desired filling effect. Once the closing process is complete, click H to initiate filling. Subsequently, hit F1 again for a red light preview to confirm the accuracy of the marking position. Finally, press F2 to start the marking process. Regarding marking parameters, they are conveniently located on the right side of the software interface. Make sure to uncheck the Use Default Parameters option and adjust the settings according to your needs. Typically, the key parameters to adjust are speed and power. The optimal laser marking processing parameters vary depending on the material. For instance, for plastics, PC, and circuit boards, it is advisable to increase the speed and decrease the power. Conversely, for metal materials, reducing the speed will result in deeper marking, while decreasing the power and increasing the speed can achieve shallower marking. If you are interested in our video, please give us a thumbs up. And welcome to bookmark our video. If you are interested in our laser marking machines, you can contact us right now. Perfect Laser is committed to being your trusted partner from now and forever.